Dreaming of cracking CUET PG 2025? Here's your chance to make it happen. Desam Manipur University Council, under the aegis of Desam Head Office, is organizing a 45-day coaching program for CUET PG 2025 aspirants. Classes will be held from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. in both offline and online modes at Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Imphal. The course covers the full 6-semester syllabus with experienced faculty, interactive teaching, and regular tests for evaluation. A course fee is applicable, but IDPs can enroll for free. Registration closes on 26th January 2025 and classes begin on 27th January 2025. For more details, contact 9378-107592 or 600-9872-716 or 9366